Hello everyone, welcome to curdweb. Today I'm going to talk about another Axure tips and tricks, which is 7. And here I'm going to say how to auto adjust widget height, or you can say auto sizing a box widget to fit text, or we can say auto adjust widget height based on variables. So let's start. So here we have the base and I'm dragging drop a box. So this is the simplest one while we are using the auto adjust. So we'll come to the style, we'll select this box, and here we have the fit to text height and fit to text widget. So first of all, we'll see, suppose if we are using some dummy text, so it will adjust here, right? And suppose we have the more text, so it is not getting adjusted. So what we need to do, just we have to select this and select this fit to height, text height, it will adjust. So this is a simple, but if we are using a repeater, then this possibilities is not happening properly. So how to handle that situation? So here is the trick. I'll go to the repeater and we'll have this with. Now in repeater, suppose we have we can enter the repeater value, it is column 1 and it is here 1 2 3, and I'm adding this text, a dummy text in repeater. So it is going like this. Now I'm going to fit to text height. So it is not working properly. Again I need to drag and drop. See, this is kind of issue we used to get. So we have to make it the repeater. So I'm going to delete this. And again I am dragging drop a repeater. To solve this problem, we need to just add a small script or an interaction here. First just style things, we'll adjust. And then see the content. So content is fine now. Now we'll select this, we'll come to the interaction. In repeater, here we have the code or a script or interaction, you can say. Item loaded, set text and this. So suppose the number of characters which is having this box. So maximum 40 characters it will adjust. Just I am assuming. And now here we need to write a code. So we need to just set the text and all. It's a very easy, small step. So here we can say this is for the set the text, and we are adding another case where we are before that we are giving the name. Suppose we are giving the name level. So here we can say in logic length of the widget value level, it's already selected, is greater than value, just I assumed 40. So if it is a more than 40 character, what will happen? So we will set the text. So we will set the size. So need to set the size if we are writing more than one line or two line. So this box height will be increased. And if we are writing for another one, suppose it is only two, then height won't increase. So we'll set the size of level. Here we'll get this menu like target level, and we don't need to write on a width, because width we have the common. And now height, so instead of 30 it should increase. So here LVR1 text on widget, and this is the level. So here we are taking LVR1 and we are using for the characters length. So you can search here also. So it will be a part of a string. So LVR1 is our local variable dot length. Now adjusting the height. So this will multiply by 10 by 20. And we are going to add plus 10 to increase the height. Now we'll check how it is working. So here we have this. So in column 0, entering the value, so it is coming like this, right? Here is the condition in else state. We have to say true. Now it is coming fine. So now you can see here the height is increased for this. Now whenever going to enter a string, suppose this is one line only, so in this situation this height won't increase. But if we have the more than 2 line or 3 line, this height will getting increased as per the input. You can see if we enter more, it will be getting increased. So same thing we can do without a repeater also, like here. But in a normal case, we have this auto height adjust, which is fit to text height. So we can use this. But in repeater, this situation fit to text height, it is not working properly. So for that, we can use this scenario. So it is very easy. As I said here, like just we need to assume some value, how much it is, like having this, see, so check once, it should not be a auto height. If it will be a fit to text, then writing this code, it will like impact. So we can use this length of widget value, which you will get here, and the widget you can select, and we have to make the cases like is greater than value 40, and in that after this condition, if it is more than 40, the set size will increase. So we can preview this. So here is the output. So how is the trick? Please write on a comment. Thank you.